Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Have you finished your breakfast, children? See, children, already we have learned a story from your textbook. What is the first lesson? My family. What is the first lesson in our textbook, children? My family. Let us revise few new words from this chapter. Then we will discuss about the exercises related to this chapter. What are they, children? Father, father. Mother, mother. Brother, brother. Sister, sister. MAYA, Maya. MOHAN, Mohan. FUNNY, funny. INTELLIGENT, intelligent. STRONG, strong. KITCHEN, kitchen. REFRIGERATOR, refrigerator. OVEN, oven. CUPBOARD, cupboard. SHELF, shelf. SOFA, sofa. TV. Okay, children, these are the few things which we have learned. These are the few words which we have learned in our first lesson, My Family, where Mohan has explained about his family members, and about the houses, about the house and about the rooms in the house. Today, children, regarding the grammar part of this chapter, we are going to learn one exercise, very interesting exercise. Once revise before to rub. Father, mother, brother, sister, strong, Maya, Mohan, funny, intelligent, kitchen, refrigerator, oven, cupboard, shelf, sofa, TV. Okay, children. Now let us move to the exercise, children, related to this chapter. Now see, children, they have been introduced us for is or are. They have introduced us is or are. Children, if we are talking about one thing, we have to use is. One thing is, or more than one thing are. For one thing, children, you have to use is. Singular is. More than one thing means plural. We have to use are. More than one, we have to use are. Okay, is it clear? Is or are. For the singular thing we have to use is, and for the plural, children, we have to use are. Plural means more than one. Plural means more than one. Now let us see the example. There dash a sofa. Sofa, one thing. A sofa ante one thing, nana. For one thing, we have to use is. What we have to use? Is. Okay. When we are talking about more than one thing, suppose there dash two chairs. Two chairs. Now what we have to use? Two chairs means plural. More than one thing. ఏమనుకున్నాం? One thing is use చేయాలి. We have to use is. If we are talking about more than one thing, children, then we have to use are. What we have to use? Are. Next, children, third one, if you see, children, there dash a table. Dash a table. Fourth one, children. There dash a lamp. We'll discuss one by one. Okay. Here I'm writing. Coming to the next, children. There dash a lot of books. Now see, children, here we are talking about is or are. As I have explained to you, children, is used for the singular and are is used for the plural. Singular ante one thing, plural means more than one thing. Now see, if you see the first blank, children, there dash a sofa. A sofa means singular sofa, one sofa. So I have used here is. Here again, there dash two chairs. There dash two chairs. Two chairs means, children, plural. When we are talking about plural, we have used are here. Here, children, there dash a table. One table we are talking about. So we have to use is. Okay. There dash a lamp. How many lamps we are talking about? ఎన్ని ల్యాంప్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం? One lamp is. There are a lot of books. There are a lot of books. Okay. So when we are talking about one thing, children, we have to use is. When we are talking about more than one thing, then we have to use are. Is it clear to you? According to the things given to you, you have to use is or are. Okay. Now, children, I will introduce few things to few words. Just add the words to your family members. Very interesting. I will introduce my family members today. As Mohan introduced his family members, children, few words we can use about our family members. Suppose our father is very strong person. He takes care of the whole family. Mother, he looks after the family. He cooks food for us. What are the qualities? He is lovable. Grandfather, loving grandfather. Sister, intelligent sister. Cousins, funny cousins. So, children, in this chapter we have learned about the family members. Now there is a poem, children, The Best House. What is the poem's name, children? Today we are going to learn a poem, Best House. I'll explain you one by one. The Best House. The Best House. See, children, in this poem, a mouse so very small lived in a hole in the wall. I like my cozy house, said the tiny little mouse. See, for everybody, their home is most comfortable thing. Like a mouse was living in a hole of a house, he was comfortable there in the hole because that is the house of the mouse. We are comfortable in our houses. In the same way, mouse is also comfortable in its house. Next, children, in the poem they have explained about sparrow. A sparrow in her nest said, my home is the best. It's super, that's the word, said funny little bird. See, everyone is explaining their houses is the greatest house, wonderful house in the world because it's true for ourselves also. Manaki mana ille swargam. Alane prati each and every person, each and everything, each and every animal likes their houses. So in the same way here, sparrow also told that A sparrow in her nest. My house is the best. My house is best forever in the world. A little ginger kitten. Kitten means the pet cats, the younger one, the young pet cat. Had a basket she could sit in and asked with a mew, would you like to leave her here too? Now see children, the kitten was comfortable in the basket given to her. The mouse was comfortable in the hole. The sparrow was comfortable in the nest. And in the same way, the kitten was comfortable in the basket. Next, Nana, I am too big for a mouse hole. I can't live in a tree. I would squash a kitten's basket. My house is just right for me. Now here, the writer explains that even though the hole was very small, I can't sit in the nest. My house is the best for me. The speaker explains everybody's house is best for themselves. Okay, you may not like my house. I may not like your house. Each and individual person's houses were the best in the world, and we are comfortable there in our houses. Suppose if we go to our relative's house, we can't stay comfortably there. We can't do things comfortably because we are not feeling comfortable in others' houses. We are habituated of our house. ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి వాళ్ళ ఇల్లే నచ్చుతుందమ్మా. దట్ ఈస్ ద రూల్ ఆఫ్ ద నేచర్. ఓకే, ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే mouse likes the hole, bird like the nest, kitten like the basket, lion likes the cave, and we likes our house. In the same way, Mohan also likes his house very much in this chapter. Tomorrow again children, before to conclude, tomorrow we will learn next lesson and we will learn more about the poem what I have explained you in brief. Tomorrow we will read in detail. Yesterday children, we have discussed about the alphabetical order, how to write the letters in the alphabetical order, and I have grouping the letters in words. Go through those points and read once again the story My Family in your textbook children. Good day. Bye. Enjoy your day today. Okay children.